I am going to gatekeep this YouTube MN vlog. So, let me introduce myself muna. My name is Saint. I am a fresh graduate of a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. Sobrang haba. And currently, I am blessed to have a work naman na, but I don't think it is for me. I don't know. I'm kind of having these thoughts na dapat I should be very grateful about having a job, kasi syempre, not every fresh graduate get to have a work right after graduation. I mean, I'm actually working na even before the graduation ceremony. And I'm beyond grateful and thankful to the Lord, of course, sa mga boss ko to see maybe a potential in getting me to be able to work for them. But it's just going to be our little secret. Pero I kind of feel na I am not giving the best that I can give sa work ko currently. And I don't know if this is an internal problem na tamad lang talaga ako or baka super disorganized ko lang as a tao. I don't know. A quick background lang with me, no? Nung ako'y nag-aaral pa, I'm very, very active with performing arts. Sayaw, production. Doon ako I believe, passionate. Whenever I do those extracurricular activities sa school, it doesn't really feel heavy. Yes, nakakapagod siya, but something that I'm always passionate about. Something that I always make time. Something that I am willing to sacrifice everything for. So, siguro, it's something that I wanna pursue. Hindi siya siguro eh. I know for myself na I will eventually going to be in that industry. Pero, kasi syempre, I wasn't born na maraming opportunities na naghihintay sa akin. So, whenever there is an opportunity for me to make money, of course, I'm gonna grab it. Even though hindi ako ganun ka-passionate with it. I just have to make up my mind and tell myself na you're eventually going to do it. It's just going to take time and kailangan mo lang mag-ipon whatsoever. Pero, even though saglit pa lang ako sa work, wala pa akong 6 months. So, ridiculous pakinggan. Pero, I really feel na baka hindi ako para dito. Just a quick recap sa nangyayari sa akin sa work. I'm handling a lot of stuff kasi talaga eh. Manage my expectation naman. Told me na this is going to be your work. It's gonna be a lot. You're going to be overwhelmed. That's given. Kung saan nasanay ka din sa time na makapag-adjust ka na. Maybe I'm still in the adjusting phase, but I don't know. Kilala ko kasi yung sarili ko na when I'm adjusting, I can see it and I can feel it. I know that I should be improving by now and I don't think meron akong mga major improvements na nangyayari sa buhay or sa work ko right now. It just feels a lot to me na parang medyo nahihirapan na akong i-handle lahat-lahat na nangyayari. There's too much pressure sa work and there's also pressure na baka I'm missing out na with the industry that I wanna be in talaga. Like I said, I wanna be in the performing arts industry. Natatakot ako na baka it's gonna be too late until makarating ako dun sa passion ko talaga na industry. I don't really tell this to a lot of people kasi they all see me as very lucky, very blessed na nakagraduate ka. Right after graduation, may naghihintay sa yung trabaho, hinabol ka ng trabaho, marami kang opportunities because of this work na meron ka. So, hindi ko ma-open up sa ibang tao yung nafe-feel ko kasi feeling ko sasabihin lang nila na alam mo, nag-iinarte ka na. Alam mo, Saint, sobrang swerte mo na sa trabaho mo yan to feel na yung mga nararamdaman ka. Eh, yung iba nga dyan, wala pa rin trabaho hanggang ngayon, nakatambay lang sa bahay, ganyan. Ikaw, meron kang pinagkakitaan, you have the means to make money, pero nagre-reklamo ka pa. Ayokong makarinig ng mga ganun. Kahit siguro ako, kung kakausapin ko yung sarili ko, I would tell Saint the same na sobrang swerte mo na, Saint, kung tutuusin. So, bakit ka pa nagre-reklamo? But on the other side, I mean, syempre, sarili ko to. So, naiintindihan ko na parang somewhat valid naman siguro yung nararamdaman ko because I feel really frustrated. Parang nahihirapan ako maging productive and nahihirapan akong sa puso yung work ko just because I think it's too much for me to handle. Parang ang hirap niya rin kasing intindihin. For someone like me na walang experience sa admin works. Yeah, so basically my job is more on the admin side. So lahat ng galaw is kasama ako. Kind of a lot. Nahihirapan ako kasi part of me, nape-pressure ako na I can see people who are my age or much younger than me na go-open up sa kanilang opportunities sa industry na gusto nilang pasukan talaga. And ako, although nakikita ko na slowly nag-open up na siya sa akin, Pero hindi ko kasi pwedeng pabayaan tong job ko, tong industry kung nasan ako ngayon. Ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap niyang i-put into words kasi hindi rin talaga ako marunong magsalita about my personal feelings. I mean, public speaking is kind of my thing. Pero when you're doing public speaking kasi you don't really talk about yourself. You talk about a certain topic and then you put in your opinions to it. Pero when I talk na with what is it that I feel, when I talk about myself, medyo mahirap siyang i-put into words. That's why I'm doing this vlog para kahit pa paano ma-voice out ko siya. Kasi hindi ko siya nasasabi kanino. They all see how blessed and lucky I am currently. Pero hindi nila nakikita na I'm really struggling inside kasi I wanna be someone. Pero hindi doon papunta yung path mo ngayon. Yung nakaka-frustrate eh. I wanna be here but I'm still in here and can't go in here pa kasi pagka pumunta ka agad ako dito, posibleng mag-fall back ako. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-fall back because maraming nag-look up sa akin kasi panganay ako sa aming magkakapatid. Although hindi naman ini-impose sa akin na kailangan mong supportan yung mga kapatid mo o kailangan mong alalayan sila. But as the older brother, parang merong pride siguro sa akin na I have to set up the standard para makita nila na yung kuya nila is slowly becoming successful with his own gifts. Para yun din yung gawin nila. Although hindi ko naman in-impose sa kanila yun, I just want them to see me doing these things so that they can also impose it to themselves. Ang kaso nga lang, hindi ko makuha na mapunta dun sa industry na gusto ko. Sobra ako na-frustrate ng malala. Anyway, also one of the thing na nagpapagulo sa utak ko ngayon is naglipat kasi akong apartment. Kasi yung previous apartment ko, meron siyang major problem sa ceiling. Tumutulo yung ceiling. So, naganap ako ng apartment. Actually, mabilisan nga to na lipatan. So, hindi siya super na plano. Leap of faith lang din talaga siya. And then right now, super daming gamit. Hindi ko pa siya naayos because I'm so occupied sa work. Wouldn't really blame my work because siguro kasi ako din, kapag hindi ako nagwo-work, just because I feel mentally exhausted with it. Ang ginagawa ko, kapag hindi ako nagtatrabaho, papahinga lang ako. Sabihin, tutulog ako or magbe-bed rot ako dito na nakatingin lang ako sa phone, scrolling social media, making myself miserable. I don't know. I'm trying to be productive as much as possible. That's why also I'm doing this vlog. I'm hoping na this would help. I wish I could be in a better place maybe months from now. Sana huwag kang umabot ng years. Quick look around sa kung anong nangyayari. I mean, look at this. Meron pang carton dito, hindi ko pa na itatapon. Malinis naman yan, nakakalat lang. Di ko lang nalalagay sa storage boxes. There's a lot of things pa here. Like, super daming kalat. First goal ko muna is malinis ko muna to lahat. Kasi I'm getting so stressed to see the house looking like this. Hindi siya nakakatulong sa mental health ko. Let's do this shit!